How to fix Xbox app error 0xc0EA0001 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Incorrect time and date settings can cause authentication issues with Microsoft servers, leading to error 0xc0EA0001. Synchronizing your system's time and date ensures proper communication with the servers. Make sure that Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box is ticked. Click Update now and OK. The Xbox app requires a stable internet connection to function properly. Connection issues can lead to this error. If that didn't work, cached data can become corrupted over time, leading to app errors. Clearing the cache forces the app to create fresh files. Wait for the command to complete and for the Microsoft Store to open automatically. Resetting Xbox and other related components restores it to its default settings, which can fix issues caused by misconfigurations. Some services need to be running in order for games to launch correctly. Right-click on it and select Restart. If it is grayed out, double-click the service to open its properties. Under Startup Type, select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. If that didn't work,